Okay, guys, let's take a look at the practice problem number 2. And here we go. A map has a scale of 1 inch equals 16 kilometers. 3 distances on the map are listed on the chart below. Choose an actual distance to match the corresponding distance on the map. And I took out the possible choices just so that I had some room to write on the slide, but you'll have like a list of them to drag and drop, sort of like you will on the real test. Okay, so I'm going to set it up the way I set up all my proportions, the way I set up everything with scale factor. Okay, and so we have 1 inch equals 16 kilometers, right? And I'm going to set that equal to 0.4 inches, right? Now I need to know how many kilometers, right? So I'm going to use cross products to solve. Well, 1 times x here is equal to x, right? Or 1x, but you don't really need the 1. So really what I'm going to do to solve it is 16 times 0.4, right? That's how easy this is. This one, not so hard. So 16 times 0.4 is equal to 6.4. So x is equal to 6.4 kilometers. Okay, I'm just going to put that answer there. And of course, what you're going to do is drag and drop 6.4 kilometers to the correct box. Okay, so let's try setting up the next one, and I'm going to change the color. How about to green this time? Okay, and so if 1 inch equals 16 kilometers, right? Then 1.6 inches equals x kilometers. How many kilometers, right? Okay, well, 1 times x, again, is x. And then 16 times 1.6 will give us our answer, right? Well, 16 times 1.6 is equal to 25.6. So our unknown is 25.6 kilometers. Very good. Now I bet you can do the third one on your own, of course, after seeing that setup so many times. But let's set this last one up, and it's always a good idea, though, to pause it right now, and then you could set it up yourself, and then you could watch the video and see if you did it correctly. Okay, so 1 inch is equal to 16 kilometers, right? So 3.2 inches equals how many kilometers? Again, cross products. So 1 times x is, well, 1x. And then 16 times 3.2 will give you your answer. Okay, and 16 times 3.2 ends up to be 51.2. 51.2, 51 and 2/10 kilometers. 51 and 2/10 kilometers. So they all get set up the same way. And if you just make sure that your inches are on top, your kilometers are on the bottom, or as long as they're matchy-matchy, you should be fine. Thanks, kids.